for this game. Just pick whatever. Whatever in the table. Pick one. Kuya Sam, I'm so sorry, but you were out. Thank you. One chair out. Sakit ng buldit.
Hindi na makatayo.
Dance. Can you please dance? Stay away from the chair so you can dance. I'm so sorry, Miss Lolita, you were out. Dance, 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 please. So sorry, Jack. You're out.
Ayun pala. Yan, ilagay mo dyan. Ano ang price dito?
Anything in the table? We have 4 players left. I'm sorry, amigo. You're out. 3 players left. Amira, May, and Sarai. Oh, sorry, Sarai, you were out. 2 players left. Amira and May. Away from the chair and you need to dance. Don't just look around. Dance! Dance! Is that counted? Or the music stopped? Who won? Amira won? Okay, Amira won the game.
Ano yung senior? Ano? Si senior. Oh, yung senior na.
To do with this game. Caterpillar games. What happened? Warm up. Okay, ladies, that's the practice only. It's practice. Ready? Okay.
Grabe, ang bilis-bilis.
Ready? Do you know how to play the game now? Are we ready? Ladies? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the balloon doesn't go anywhere. Game over. The winner is Miss Rita's group. Miss Rita's group wins.
Go, Brianna! Okay, Michael. No, no! Ah! Okay, there's some prizes. Yeah. What you want?